welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a video which is very useful for the Telangana people. So we are going to apply LRS online today. So let's get started into the video. Firstly, you need to open the telangana.lrsbrs.in link and you will be redirected to this page. This is an official portal of Telangana LRS application, and you need to click the first one, this link, and you will be redirected to another page. So apply for LRS 2020. So here are some options, like if you are Indian, go with Indian. You should be validate your OTP with your mobile number. If you are a NRI, it will give you email ID, so you can validate your OTP through email ID. So I got this page after my OTP validation. So if your plot falls under individual plot or layout, you will be clicking accordingly. So mine is individual plot. I'll go with it. Okay, some this falls under, like you'll having some categories, Gram Panchayat, HMD, municipality. So these are the options, and mine is municipality. Whatever your plot contains, you have to go with that. Enter your plot location details, like it falls under which district. So mine is Rangareddy, and municipality comes like Turkemjal, Mandal Abdullapur Met, and ward number. So here comes, like you have ward numbers list in a PDF format. You can go with the ghmc.gov.in wards number. So mine is 10 ward number, means like your locality falls some under ward number, so you need to give that one. Plot details, locality, enter your plot details where it is exactly situated. Mine is situated at Manneguda area. Okay, and the plot number, give your plot number. Like I'm explaining you, so I'm giving demo 1. Enter survey number. It will also contain in a plot papers 780. And the thing I have to say here is, some plot contains more than one survey number, like it contains 2 to 3, 3 to 4 also. No problem, it is not a case sensitive. You can give 2 or more survey numbers and also plot numbers as well. So like if you want to give multiple, you can put a comma and give like this. So select village. My village is Manneguda only. Area, how much your plot contain. Mine is 100 yards, 100 square yards. So sale deed number, this this will be there in your front page of your plot papers, and that also at the top of the number. Some it contains like document number, that is also a sale deed number, so go with it. Here also there only, so give some here, like whatever you contain in your papers. If someone will know and someone will not know what is a sub register office, you can give you can check with the portals and services, like know your sub register offices, and you need to give the locality details. It will display your sub register officer. Mine is Abdullapur only. Yeah, here comes with the important thing, sale deed front page. Your plot papers first paper means front page, you will be having the front page with the details like sale deed number, year, and all those. So that front page you should upload in a PDF format. In any other format it will not consider your document. It is a mandatory field, sale deed front page. And another one is other document. If you have any additional, you can also select document type and upload it after that. And also file size should not be exceeded 1 MB. It should be in between 1 MB only. So I think PDF won't contain more than space. So okay, applicant name, like if that flat is yours means you need to enter your details, like for example Sainath, my name is Sainath. I'll enter my father's name, Ramesh, Aadhaar number, and gender as male. Based on your Aadhaar card number address you have to give this one. Mail ID also, alternate number also, uh, if any mismatch in number, so it will help you in the alternate mobile number. So lastly you need to go with the payment gateway. There are two payment gateways, and the payment mode is online. You can pay through net banking, debit card or credit card, and also some wallets as well. So this is how to apply LRS online, friends. Thank you for watching.